Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi 14 Pro to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can tap on wherever you want to and then click on your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of Xiaomi and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Xiaomi, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files to transfer. I will go with only a couple, just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in here's some tip pop-up and decide what connection way you want to use. If you want to connect by inputting this key, hit Input key section, type in all of those numbers and choose Receive button. If you want to scan the QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and simply point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!